In this video, we will show you how to change the Wi-Fi name. To change your Wi-Fi name, you must have the access including username, password, and IP address of your router or access point. Usually, this address, username, and passwords placed on the back of your router or access point. Just especially for the address, if on the back doesn't exist the IP address, you can try to using IP gateway. How to do that? Just open command prompt on your Windows. Okay, after that, just type ipconfig like this. I'm sorry, no space. Okay, you can see. Then you have the default gateway, and default gateway usually use as the router or access point address. Let's copy this by blocking this and right click to copy like this. After that, you can paste on the web browser. Let's see. Okay, like I say, our gateway address usually used to be access point or the router address like this. Then you must know the account including username and password. If you don't have one, just try to contact your internet service provider and asking for the default username and password. Okay, for example, we have already username and password and press login button here. Now, after we successfully log in into our router or access point, you must click the wireless menu. If doesn't have like the wireless, you can find the similarity words like Wi-Fi LAN, okay, or WLAN in this case. Just select this WLAN. It's mean Wi-Fi LAN, and this is the our Wi-Fi name. You can see our Wi-Fi name is this, okay. So to change this Wi-Fi name, you can just type the SSID name here. For example, your Wi-Fi. After you click apply, usually you will be disconnected into your existing the Wi-Fi name. Okay. After that, you need to log in again or to connect again with your newer Wi-Fi name in this case. Okay. And that's all how you can change the Wi-Fi name on your router or access point. Don't forget to click apply. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.